Welcome back to the Haunted Hearing Defender. We are the Sporting, and now everybody wants us to come back here in the middle of the tunnel. I know it's snowing outside. Here's Sarah here. Yeah, Sarah's still here myself. So we're gonna have the sport. I want you guys to come and like this channel and give me 100 likes. We try to watch more of this stuff and you're gonna see how it goes. Comment down below if you heard some more stuff going on. And subscribe my channel. I need 300 subscribers and get there, and we'll make your future come true. And if you guys want to go to Mainfield Prison after me or Sarah, comment down below if you want me to go 100 likes. We get the sport at Mainfield Prison in Ohio, and we're gonna go to Pennsylvania Willis Shoe. So Sarah, now we're gonna see what's going on. We got the dog right there, right here. We got a creepy. So anyway, we're gonna do this video. Sarah, where you should get ready for that, what are you gonna think? Which one? The ball or the dog?
I think we should do both.
We do both? Okay.
I know a lot of you guys asked us to come back and bring some toys, so we actually brought the doll and the ball. Let's see what they do with these items.
And this time we're gonna start making a video today. I know everything's gonna be haunted. My mom used to be here before. Her car is pushing. I'll put her link down below and show the video that my mom just pushed the car. Hope you guys are ready for the video. If the picture started, subscribe my channel, like our channel stuff. Let's get the sport started. Alright, now we're back again. We got the ball right here. It shouldn't be moving. It should move. Okay, kids, are you still here with us and want us to come back? We gave you a gift. And there's the doll right here, there's the ball right here. You make out the gift?
Why is that light still on?
Do you like snow?
I got the doll. You guys like playing with toys? Come out, play with us. We got a ball and a toy.
We got the doll right here. There's the ball. Can you kick it?
Come out, come out. A little cold out there, ain't it, though? Come on. Want to play with the ball and the doll? Come play with it.
I want you to feel your energy make us improve. So I know you want us to come back. Everybody asked me to come back. We're not being harmed. We're not being hurt your feeling. We did last time you come here. We like to talk to you.
That's colder tonight.
There should be a thing in the
We didn't get a
car.
whole lot of communication.
Probably right here the last time. It was right here the last time. Alright, we move over here. Last time we was right here.
Right here is his favorite spot.
That's the first spot right here. We should touch everything like that. It was great to communicate. So, OG, I want you to stand right here. Alright. Want us to communicate.
Look. You don't see that figure?
No.
Turn the camera around. There's one. There's like right there.
Okay. That's the first spot right there. So, I'm gonna try to get the right way. Okay guys, we got an SOS beer box from this area. Heard a lot of stories come through. Yeah, it's gonna be great to communicate. Here we go. Bears, are you still here with us? Okay, here
Well,
we
get in. Well, get in.
Okay. Spirit, come talk to us. I got your doll. That's for you.
The ball too. Come out. Communicate with us again.
I should bring my JBL beer box. I forgot all
Didn't
about
bring
it.
it.
Mhm. Come communicate with us. Make my case to the meter, spike it. How about you put my pocket? I won't have to wet, so this is fine.
Communicate.
Look. We should move. Yeah.
Are you here? Make this K2 meter spike.
Are you a kid? Are you still here with us? Try to get close to KG meter, this one. What's over here? Yeah, Spirit. Come to my KG meter.
Come on.
Leave. Her leave.
Why do you want us to leave already? We just got here.
If you want me to leave, go to Spiking on red. Fight a haunted doll. Or kick the ball all the way to the end. My name is John James. Sarah's still here too. Last time you said help me mama. Make up the proof. Ooh.
Are you angry with us?
Scream, that's a scream. That's what it hurts. Why you scream? You make more power? Something say that. I don't know what to say.
We want you to use all your energy you got. Last time we was here, you was coming out and praying and communicating.
Can't remember what it said. Should have camera down face this way.
Do you think it's cold?
But the funny is, because the spirit of contest, everybody asked me want to come back, and we got the ball and stuff. How about I give you a ball way out to the middle of nowhere? You can hear this.
Make
Out. I heard out.
now.
I heard out.
Make the ball move. Kick it.
Show your energy.
Put it over there. They can't you meet about the ball.
Why not?
See what it does.
Show your energy. I give it to you. You have it.
Come on. Move it.
How about this? Sarah said you said you want your mother. Ouch.
Out. Is there a reason for that? Out. Are you the one that killed these kids out on the school bus?
They make noise.
Because last time you made the reader spiked up.
What you serious? Look at me. That was there. What are you serious? And look at me.
We want to see some activity going on.
We're here for you. We're not scared. We just want to see you. We want to come back and visit you. Who do you like with? We're right here. Where's the guy?
Huh?
Who's the guy for you?
What's your name?
There's a kid saying that. It's laughing. He said, help me, and he just started laughing. Wait. Are you serious? Hold on. Big, let me see that camera. There's no way yeah, it says Big Mommy Killer. That would have happened.
Miller. M-I-L. wait,
Milker.
Milker. Scared me twice already.
There you go. Alright. Spirit, I turned off the light for you.
We know you like the dark.
You can see your doll, everything.
Ball in the dog. Make our meter spike up.
There you go. There you can see, guys. There you go. Spirit, play with the ball. I can't see. You kick the ball whatever you want. I can't see. Make my meter higher.
Make it spike up like you did last time.
I can't occasionally meter to go fight always.
Use all your energy.
There, I can feel your energy.
You can feel our energy. We want to feel yours. Use your K2 meter to show your energy.
Because your presence so strong.
It's okay.
Come near me. I can hear a real voice.
We'll give you time.
Hold it.
Anybody here? Make the meter spike.
Come on, Spirit.
We're getting cold out here. That ball moved a little bit. It was right next to the
Yeah,
dog.
it wasn't next to it. Guys, I'm not lying, but I turned my camera on, flashlight on, and the bulb is right here, and now it's moving here. Like that. It was right here.
Did you move the ball?
It used to be KK. Look, KK.
Who moved the ball?
Okay, How about this? If you're over here, right by my kitchen mirror where I'm standing at, bike it up. Right here, bike it up. I hear it. Bike it up where on you staying. Oh.
Oh, are you mad?
Wrong sentence. That means get a conversation with us. You answer the question. Make that KQ meter spiking all the way. Don't get angry.
We're not here to disrespect you.
Come closer right now.
Oh my God.
Thank you. Okay. Oh. I heard noise.
I did too. Was that you guys?
Is anybody around here? Oh. Teacher.
We seen that. Spike it up some more.
It was right here.
I fall. I feel like I'm getting dizzy.
Okay, that.
I
That's
didn't feel
not.
like this last time.
Okay.
Wait a minute. No, we have to see. There, right there.
Yeah, something
Let me
touching
let me
something. Something touching my back. I feel it. I don't know if it's on me or not, but something
Are
touching
you
me.
behind Rosie?
Hold on, I can't understand. Hold on.
Rosie feels something touching her. Who are you?
Something is really touching me. I feel it.
Fight it.
I'm dizzy.
Who is messing with Rosie? It's not funny.
Don't me wrong.
Oh, I'm dizzy.
I feel dirty bad. Like,
Hey, who's messing with Rosie?
don't make me breathe stage.
Whatever it is strong because it's not even showing up on the meter.
Yeah.
Are you strong?
Stay like that.
Are you evil?
I'm about to go in the car. I feel weird.
Hold on. Just hold on to me. Are you evil? Speak.
But it happened last time. Guys, I'm gonna take her in the car. Give me here. Hey, let me do it by myself. You take her back to the car so you can get.
She'll be fine. I got her.
Who's to tag a Rosie? Willie.
It just shut off.
No, I didn't. There you go.
Who thinks it's funny to attack Rosie?
Yeah, I feel weird out here.
Someone walking back and forth.
You guys think it's funny?
Did you like to push the car? You wanted to bring my car in here? What the?
What's that? What's that?
I don't know what it's that. Something making noise.
It keeps messing with Rosie.
Who's messed with her? Show us the step. Make that ball moving. It was you. We're not scared of you. You're trying to make us angry. I'm being serious. I'm not scared of you at all. You're thinking we are scared. What is it? Okay. Try to make us scared. Why don't you say nothing? Say something. Make my KG meter spiking. How about that? I know you're scared. Okay. Come in the middle right now. Right here in the middle. Right there. I don't know what's wrong with you. You got my problem? Do it. Okay, do it what? A ball for you. I gave it to you. Show yourself right there.
Wait.
Show how bad you are.
Do you think it's funny to mess with people?
Say my name 2 times. James James. Say my name. I'm waiting 10 minutes.
What is that?
I don't know. Oh. Oh.
Alright. We hear you. Is that a warning?
I heard you laughing. Try to do the repeat. Guys, don't worry about my car over there. They're trying to keep it warm.
So you're not wanting to use your K2 meter, you want to use your real actions.
Yeah, guys, if we started to do it so many times, we started to investigate it. That's how the K2 meter wasn't even spiking. And last time we spiked it, you have to watch the video that we did last time. So, there's a link down below on top of it. You see them on the link. Look at it and make sure that how the name's not the same. So, help.
Help. Who's saying help?
Help. I tell you what, my legs hurt.
Nobody over there. I didn't hear nothing.
Did you hear that? Then you hear it this way, then you hear it this way. There's 2 spirits. There's more than 1 spirit. But I hear it this way too.
Alright.
You gotta hear it this way.
Okay, guys, let me right back. Let me take a break and stay in the car for a break, like 10 minutes, and we'll come back and check in again, both of them. I don't know why they don't want to communicate with this doll and ball. It's alright. We'll come back in 10 minutes. Hold on.
Yeah.
Alright, we're in the car, guys. So, I didn't hear. They heard it. I don't heard it. I was just pee. Alright. Spirit, can you knock 3 times for me? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay. How about this? The car's turned on. Can you turn my car on?
Your necklace.
If the heater was turning on.
Oh, okay.
Can you turn my car on for me? I want to go home.
That.
He hit my window. I'm not lying.
Somebody did hit the window.
Can you knock my window right here for me?
You hear that,
I
guys?
hear that.
Smile.
Smile.
It's me want us to smile.
Want you to
Everybody smile.
I got my mask on. I can't smile.
Alright.
If that a kid knock my window, you like to play a game? Can you tell me what's your name? Wasn't the first 2 people who died in the tunnel? I forget.
There was a whole lot of kids that died in this tunnel.
Oh, well. How many kids in the tunnel?
They died in the school bus.
Hold this. Here's my phone. Guys, I'm gonna try to do my SOS camera. SOS bear bomb. We'll try to see how it goes. Who's here with us? Did you give me your name? What's your name? Did you want to play with the ball? Yes or no? Can you make a knock for me?
Can you knock 3 times, please? On the window?
Laughing.
Yes, I did. Did you knock that door on the window earlier?
Let me try it and see what you guys do when I do it. Knock 3 times and loud on the window. Doesn't matter which window.
That's a little girl. We knock. I heard.
I did too.
I heard. We knock. Another knock. Another knock. Another knock.
Guys hear that?
We didn't touch nothing. I'm not
No.
lying.
Show the camera around.
Show the camera, Rosy.
Show the camera around.
Show the camera around. She can't hear me anyway.
Nobody ain't touching nothing. She's like, we're all not touching nothing. We're not touching no windows.
Guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're gonna stay in the car and they're really in the middle of a tunnel. I should for sure that I should catch everything, but I've been hurt by not there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ever since we got in his car to take a break, we've been hearing knocks and everything, and it's getting really bad, and we want you guys to hear it with us.
Okay, 2 meter, dying. Hold this. They can all they can hear the K2 meter was spiking in the middle of the car. Spirits, are you in the middle of a tunnel? Can you knock it 3 times? I know you can't see my light. How about this?
Did you hear that? I'm just chewing. Oh, the fuck?
That's a lot. Okay.
We're gonna do this again. I'm gonna knock 3 times, and I want you to knock back. Starting now.
Did you like it in the car? They see me in the car? So you make more knock and push and shake it? What the fuck is behind me? I see 2 eyeballs
Where?
behind the car.
The fuck?
I went right behind me in the car and nobody around. You see nobody around?
No.
Okay, I look in the mirror and I see 2 eyeballs. Okay. Who's here with us? Knock it again.
I know.
Oh, you got an airplane mode.
I do. Airplane mode's on. Try it again. You guys did it a lot without us even having a video recorder on.
My car's shaking.
Yeah, I know. It is shaking.
Feel shaky. Feel shaky. I'm not lying. I feel shaky.
Yeah. Yeah.
Shake it some more.
How about I'm moving down a little bit? There you go. Feel shake it more.
Oh, you feel that?
I feel that. Oh. Sorry. Shaking my card again.
I know it's shaking because it's shaking me. I like when it shakes. Somebody is here, man.
I know.
Somebody is shaking this car.
I'm gonna put my arm right here. No, touch the middle. That middle make more noise.
Everybody keep your hands to yourselves.
What was that?
Hey,
What was that?
stop moving. Stop talking.
That was 9 knocks. Wow.
Wait, got more.
I mean 10. I want them that's morning.
10.
10. What does
We
10
just got
knocks
10 knocks, guys. We just got 10 knocks, and the meter's going off, guys.
Guys, hear that? Keep going. Come on.
Whoa.
Oh, what was that?
Whoa. Whoa.
You guys not hear that? There is something in this car. There's something in this car, guys.
I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna do exactly the video I'm gonna show you.
We're not done yet. Oh, it's just getting started.
Because they want us in the car. I think you know why they want us in
You guys,
the car.
we did hear
It's in the car.
something.
All right. This is what
Please
we're gonna
like
do.
that subscribe button.
Turn the light off. Turn the light off. Let's do this.
Pat needs to stop moving what she's doing. Don't touch.
I'm not touching nothing.
I do hear something.
Shake my car now! Light back and forth. Make my KG meter yellow to red if you hear it. I see somebody right behind my camera.
Dude, don't.
You guys, there is definitely something in this car.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely.
And nobody's touching nothing.
Nobody's touching nothing.
My hand's right here, guys. Here.
Here.
My hand right here.
My hand's on the K2 meter.
Show Pat right here.
You're not. Tell him you're not touching nothing.
I'm not touching nothing.
It's nothing. I'm not gonna lie. It's
Damn thing.
100% for real, dude.
And you can still hear it as we're all showing you our hands.
Whoa, did you hear that?
Back here. Back here.
Oh, did you hear that?
Back
Fuck
here.
out of here.
It's back here, dude.
Did you hear that?
I heard it loud.
You guys, you gotta like that subscribe button.
Okay, hang on. Okay, that's good. I hear Floyd.
Stop.
I hear Floyd.
Yeah, there's definitely. The K2 meter.
Oh shit!
And the light just went off, guys. The car
Hey,
light.
up.
James, just go.
Oh, hey,
The
no.
car light just went off, guys.
It's okay.
Wow.
Let's go.
It's alright. It's alright.
Stop right here. Stop right here. Holy shit.
You guys,
Oh, she's crying. It's got her weak. That's not good. It's got her weak minded.
Guys, I'm sorry about my kid. I just move it over real quick. My car light completely on.
It shut up by
it's shut
itself.
off by itself, guys.
There's no joking,
You
dude.
guys definitely gotta like this video.
She's scared. I really don't want to.
What the?
Hold on. I'll let her. You got anybody got any headphones for her? She's crying. This is a good video, dude.
She okay, guys? Look. She's scared.
fucking scary.
That's why you're not to bring her over here.
She wanted to come, guys. We didn't want to bring her, but she wanted to come. She wanted to see what it is, and yes,
It's not
it's
gonna
very
be in.
scary out here.
It's not gonna get her.
This is the worstest one we ever had. Please like that subscribe button, please.
We can't read.
Oh no way! Look at this! Come look at this! Come here! No way, guys! Look at this! My car! It's just no way! Fucking wait! Look! Touching my freaking car! Who's touching my car? Any spirit? Who's touching my car? Oh! It's making noise. There's no joke. Give me my cake. Come here. It's making noise. Who's here? Guys, this is insane. Like, I've been filming this up. Oh, man, that was an amazing video, guys. I want you guys to like my channel too. It's amazing. It's snowing. This is gonna be amazing. I mean, my car is smacking every window. Look at this. There's a handprint right here. Man, you're gonna have my fucking. I don't know what to touch it. I don't know which one to touch it. I want to make sure she'll be okay. Everything okay?
Yeah, I can do that anymore.
Alright, listen. This is why you guys can be in the car when you start investigating here. After you have to investigate in the car. And that's how I make a noise. Sorry, it's not recorded.
Yes, we went to the tunnel, guys, making a video, and then we come to the car to warm up. It followed us to the car. Yes, the car was shaking and everything, noise and everything. It's very scary.
It's just freaking awesome. It's 12 o'clock, guys, and you know it's the spirit came out.
I know. That's why we need to keep doing this.
You want me to keep going or what? I don't know. Let's try to keep going. To keep an eye on it. I can't believe my light is shut off. My light is completely on all day.
Yes, the lights turned off by themselves, guys.
Yeah.
That was the scariest thing we ever seen.
Can't believe that.
That's why they come out and play around this time. It's like, yeah.
My phone. Don't want to play with the toy behind the back. I know it's going to happen. They're the doll they want to play with.
Don't let it get attached to it.
Don't worry, look at this.
Oh. Hey,
It's still making noise,
you got
guys.
this, so you're safe.
How about you guys just stop messing with the old lady?
We're still hearing it in the car, guys.
Yep.
For sure.
Back up in the tunnel.
Dang, did you just do that? Nobody's even touching nothing.
We're not touching that. There's just something behind the back of a window. And that's why they tap it. They touching my window whistle brush. They touch it. No one touched it.
Lock your door.
Hear that?
This is really serious, guys.
More
You
noise.
hear that?
More noise.
Yeah, alright.
Be okay. We got you.
You got this.
Here's a cross right here. See?
Let her hold it. You want to hold the cross? We gotta make this video.
Yeah, guys, my mom wanted to come just to take a ride and see what it was like. And yeah, scaring the crap out of her. But we do hear something in this car for sure.
Back up in the
This
tunnel.
is a very haunted place. Anybody want to go do a haunted video? This is the place to come to.
Back up in the tunnel.
She's scared.
Should be alright.
You hear that?
I hear more.
See, we are still hearing something, guys.
If we need to stop with her, because then it's going to scare her. So
Well, I can't help it. They're the one doing it. The ghost is not me.
No.
Ain't it?
back up in the tunnel.
The ghosts are doing that
Why
crap.
not? What the fuck? Am I window all the way down?
James, come on, man. Just get the fuck out,
Stop.
man. I'm gonna have a heart
I'm
attack
like
in about a
messing with
minute.
us, seriously.
Oh, my window
Oh,
went
shit, I
down.
broke my legs.
You break your legs.
Seriously, the window's down.
Hold on, let me
My
turn
window's
around.
down.
Turn the light off real quick.
And I know my window down.
I don't
didn't
do that.
My
Turn around
window
into the
fucking up.
tunnel.
Who played toy behind it? I want to know. I want to go backward to the tunnel.
Wait a minute.
I'm wondering who did this. I wish you was, guys. My light would turn on myself, and it's no joke.
We are going in the tunnel, guys. This is very scary right here.
Oh, yeah.
You know what the neighborhood is, and they know what's haunted, but I figured they know what's haunted. But here's the thing, that's what we're gonna do. Pat, chill out. We didn't let me get...
I've been trying to get her to calm down.
Okay. We all know who the person I heard before you. Alright,
Oh, did you hear that?
hold on. Oh!
You hear that, guys?
Yeah.
Get quiet. Guys, watch my camera. My car will turn off by itself. The light, only the light turn off by itself. No one behind me, though. I can't see anyway. Hold on. No one behind me, I'm be serious.
I'm serious. It looks like somebody is behind him. I see something too. I could have swore I saw something.
What was this going on in my freaking car?
This is a scary
Guys, my
outside.
hand's right here in front of me. I hold my camera both sides of my camera. I'm trying to get a footage. Four tap. No joke, it's
I
four
heard
tap.
that. I heard a tap.
Keep doing it again. Alright, we're gonna keep this first when we leave.
We all right? She can't breathe.
What was
I
that?
don't know.
You hear that whisper? What, dude? This is scary, dude.
Never try to put my car in the fucking tunnel. At all. If someone touched my car,
Ooh, did you
right
hear
behind me,
that?
I'm not lying. Alright, let me pull up right now.
If you guys hear anything, let us know.
Why is it getting cold in here all of a sudden?
Yeah, it's getting cold.
Okay, stop right here for a minute. We know that the spirits want to play with the car. They love to play with the car. I went out there and trying to see the fingerprint.
What do you feel like?
And not to good communicate, touching my card or whatever.
Huh? Yeah,
Yeah.
we gotta go, guys.
Alright, we're gonna get out of here right now. You guys like my channel and subscribe my channel and get all there in the
Yeah, 'cause
picture.
it's very haunted.
yeah.
We definitely heard something in this car. If you guys hear something, let us know.
And if you guys watch this video, this is gonna be amazing. It's for the creepy. She's scared, but don't worry about it. And subscribe my channel and like my channel if you want to do it. Me and Sarah are still here for you. Show us the explore, share my video, and comment down below and you hear everything. It's an amazing video. Thank you for guys and let us know we came back and explore. Thank you very much. Let me turn the light all the way brighter because we can't see. Thank you for all of you for so much for love and show us some more love. Hope you guys subscribe my channel, subscribe to me and Sarah on Hunting Here in the Fencer. See you guys soon. Good luck.